Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to building and maintaining healthy relationships. I'm your host, and today we have an important topic to discuss: unraveling relationships, 10 destructive behaviors to avoid. Relationships are beautiful and fulfilling when they are built on a foundation of love, respect, and understanding. However, there are certain behaviors that can undermine the very fabric of our connections, leading to turmoil and unhappiness. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and get ready for a life-changing adventure. In this video, we will explore these destructive behaviors and provide valuable insights on how to avoid them. So, let's dive in. Firstly, let's take a moment to understand what we mean by destructive behaviors in relationships. These behaviors are patterns of interaction that have a negative impact on the overall well-being of the partnership. They chip away at the trust, respect, and emotional connection between partners, hindering the growth of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Some common destructive behaviors include poor communication, control, disrespect and insults, dishonesty and betrayal, neglect and emotional withdrawal, blame and criticism, lack of empathy and understanding, unresolved conflict, and emotional and physical abuse. Now let's delve deeper into each of these behaviors and explore their consequences. Effective communication is the lifeblood of any successful relationship. When communication breaks down or becomes ineffective, it can create misunderstandings, resentment, and emotional distance between partners. This can manifest through poor listening skills, bottling up emotions, or using aggressive language. It's essential to prioritize open and honest communication, expressing our thoughts and feelings with clarity and empathy. Active listening, where we give our undivided attention to our partner, and reflective communication, where we paraphrase and validate their feelings, can significantly enhance the quality of our interactions. By fostering a safe and open environment for dialogue, we can promote understanding, resolve conflicts, and build a stronger bond. Control in relationships is a destructive behavior that can undermine trust, autonomy, and independence. When one partner exerts control over the other, it creates an unhealthy power dynamic and erodes the equality and freedom necessary for a flourishing partnership. Controlling behavior can take various forms, such as dictating how your partner should dress, isolating them from friends and family, or making all the decisions without their input. It's crucial to foster an environment of mutual respect, trust, and shared decision-making. In a healthy relationship, both partners have the space to grow as individuals while supporting each other's dreams and aspirations. Respect is the cornerstone of a thriving relationship. Disrespectful behavior, such as insults, belittling, and demeaning remarks, can shatter trust and damage self-esteem. It's important to treat our partners with kindness, empathy, and dignity, choosing words that uplift and affirm them. Conflicts are inevitable in any relationship, but it's crucial to address them with respect and understanding. Avoid resorting to personal attacks or derogatory language during disagreements. Instead, strive for constructive dialogue, seeking solutions that honor both partners' perspectives and needs. By fostering a respectful environment, we can nurture love and strengthen the bond between us. Honesty and trust are the pillars of a strong relationship. Acts of dishonesty, infidelity, and broken trust can be incredibly damaging, leaving a lasting impact on the emotional well-being of both partners. Building and maintaining trust requires consistent honesty, transparency, and open communication. If trust has been broken, it takes time, effort, and sincere remorse to rebuild it. The path to healing involves taking responsibility for our actions, seeking forgiveness from our partner, and demonstrating a commitment to change. Rebuilding trust requires patience, understanding, and a shared willingness to work through the pain and challenges together. Neglect and emotional withdrawal can silently erode even the strongest of relationships. Emotional presence and engagement are vital for nurturing the connection with our partner. Make it a priority to spend quality time together. Actively listen to your partner's needs and concerns, and validate their emotions. Show them that they are a valued and cherished presence in your life. By cultivating emotional intimacy, we create a safe space for vulnerability and strengthen the bond between us. Blame and criticism have destructive power within a relationship. Constantly blaming and criticizing our partner can create a toxic environment, erode self-esteem, and hinder personal growth. Instead of focusing on pointing fingers, let's shift our approach to constructive feedback and encouragement. Address issues as a team, emphasizing problem-solving and compromise. By building each other up and acknowledging each other's strengths, we foster an environment that nurtures growth and strengthens the foundation of our relationship. Empathy and understanding are essential in fostering a healthy and thriving relationship. The ability to truly listen and comprehend our partner's feelings and perspectives creates emotional connection and deepens our bond. To cultivate empathy, put yourself in your partner's shoes, seeking to understand their experiences, emotions, and needs. Validate their feelings, even if you may not agree with them. Remember, empathy does not mean agreement, but it does mean extending compassion and support. By fostering empathy, we build bridges of understanding and strengthen our emotional connection. Unresolved conflicts can wreak havoc on a relationship. Avoiding or mishandling conflicts can lead to resentment, emotional distance, and a breakdown in communication. It's essential to address conflicts in a healthy and constructive manner. Engage in open and honest conversations, express your needs and concerns respectfully, and seek to find mutually beneficial solutions through compromise. Remember, conflicts can be opportunities for growth and deeper understanding if approached with patience, empathy, and a commitment to finding common ground. Emotional and physical abuse have no place in a healthy relationship. It's crucial to recognize the signs of abuse and take appropriate action to protect oneself and seek help. If you or someone you know is experiencing emotional or physical abuse, please remember that help is available. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or professionals who can guide you to the necessary resources and support systems. No one deserves to be in an abusive relationship, and you are not alone. In conclusion, we have explored 10 destructive behaviors that can unravel relationships. By understanding and actively avoiding these behaviors, we can create a strong foundation for a healthy and fulfilling partnership. Remember, building and maintaining a successful relationship requires self-awareness, effective communication, empathy, and respect. Today we have discussed the importance of effective communication, the dangers of control, the power of respect, the impact of dishonesty and betrayal, the significance of emotional presence, the destructive power of blame and criticism, the role of empathy and understanding, the danger of unresolved conflict, and the recognition and addressing of emotional and physical abuse. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance on how to navigate these destructive behaviors and foster loving, respectful, and thriving relationships. Remember, change takes time and effort, but the rewards of a healthy and fulfilling relationship are well worth it. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from it. Together, let's create a world of strong and loving relationships. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.